Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at FC Mobile and learn how to get free points and coins unlimited, guys. So just follow the tutorial if you want to learn how to download it. So right now we just opened the game, and as you can see we have our points and money increasing, guys. As I said, if you want to learn how to download it, just follow the tutorial. First, we're supposed to go to our settings. So open your settings, and then once you do that, just find your general settings. Over here, click on background app refresh, and then click on it again, and keep it under Wi-Fi and cellular data, guys. Once you do that, go back and just quit the general settings entirely. Find your battery settings, and then turn off the low power mode. And then just go back once again to the App Store settings and scroll down a little bit and enable automatic downloads. These are the only things that you're supposed to do here, so quit your settings and open any browser that you have. Once you open any browser that you use on your phone, just click on the search bar and type in yoplugin.com, yoplugin.com, and just click enter. This is gonna take you to this website. So as you can see, there are a lot of other applications as well over here. You can check them out as well, but just find FC Mobile for now and click on it. It was just on top for us right now. And click on start installation. This is gonna leave it to download, guys. So you're just supposed to wait over here, but waiting time is not too much, so it's gonna be alright. Once this downloads, you can actually enjoy your application. All you have to mind is the stuff we did in the settings. You have to change some of the settings as I showed you, because while downloading it may just create some problems in the process of downloading, so just keep it in mind to do it properly, guys. So yeah, I'm just going to show you once again. We're opening the application. Just wait for it to download the packages. And then, yeah guys, as you can see, whenever you open the game, it's just going to keep increasing. So yeah, that was the tutorial from me. I hope you enjoy it, guys. If you enjoyed the tutorial and if it was beneficial for you, just give us a like and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions as well, you can leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I will see you on my video. Bye.